Did you know that over 70% of stock market millionaires under 30 started with less than $5,000? This 20-year-old turned just $500 into over $1 million in 2 years. Want to know how? Let me show you. This is the story of Alex, a 20-year-old who defied the odds and became a millionaire through stock trading. From a small town with big dreams, Alex started with just $500 and a relentless drive to learn. But this isn't just about money. It's about strategy, risk, and a mindset that changed everything. Trading stocks isn't as glamorous as social media makes it seem. For young people like Alex, the biggest challenge was breaking through the noise. Most think you need thousands of dollars to start, but Alex only had $500. Then came the steep learning curve, understanding market trends, dealing with losses, and resisting the urge to gamble instead of investing. There's also the constant pressure, friends doubting you, family worrying it's a risky game, and the fear of losing it all. Most young traders quit after their first loss, but Alex didn't, despite making mistakes, losing half the initial investment, and spending countless late nights studying charts and strategies. The question was, could perseverance and strategy really turn a small start into something life-changing? Alex wasn't born into wealth or privilege. Growing up in a small town, they had no connections to Wall Street or fancy finance degrees. But what Alex did have was curiosity and a determination to break free from the 9-to-5 life. It all started during late-night browsing, when a simple question sparked an obsession. How do people actually make money trading stocks? The journey began with YouTube tutorials, free ebooks, and countless forums. The first few months were rough. Bad trades wiped out nearly 50% of Alex's initial $500. But instead of quitting, Alex treated every loss as a lesson. They started focusing on the basics, understanding risk management, reading market trends, and building the discipline to wait for the right opportunities. One turning point came when Alex discovered the power of compound growth and swing trading, strategies that allowed small gains to build over time. By sticking to a plan, avoiding emotional decisions, and reinvesting profits wisely, Alex slowly started to see progress. It wasn't overnight success, but the snowball had started rolling. From starting with just $500 to becoming a millionaire, Alex's journey proves that success in the stock market is about more than luck. It's about strategy, persistence, and learning from mistakes. The key takeaway? Start small, be disciplined, and never stop learning. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the wealthy. It's within reach for anyone who's willing to take calculated risks and stick to the plan. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest lesson you've learned about stock trading or financial success? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more tips on how to master the stock market or hear more inspiring success stories, check out the next video right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you on your own journey to success.